up? What's good? It's your girl Shakeira. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are returning. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this very simple and cute natural protective hairstyle. So this hairstyle is a flat twist, half up, half down, low twisted bun. So I'm just making sure I have my sections separated. So my hair is already washed, it is stretched, and it has leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going in with TGIN's anti-breakage oil to moisturize my scalp and the ends of my hair. This video is not sponsored by TGIN, but I will be using their products for this hairstyle. My hair is high porosity, and if you're not sure what that is, it is your hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. So I really need products that helps me to retain a lot of moisture, and like I mentioned earlier, I love to style my hair when it is stretched and dry. So the TGIN daily moisturizer, I raved about it on Instagram. I absolutely love it. This product keeps my hair very moisturized. So right now I'm just prepping the back of my hair because I'm going to put it in a low twisted bun. So I'm making sure it has enough moisture to last me out the week. And although my hair can go into a low bun with just that one big section in the back, I am breaking it down into smaller sections because I do not pull my hairs tight. Like, it's less tension that way. And the twist that I'm going to make at the ends that you guys are going to see very soon looks a lot neater when I do it this way as well. So this is what I'm doing right now. So now that I have my first small section, I'm just gonna go in with the TGIN styling gel to sleek my hair a bit. I'm not using a lot. I think my hair is stretched and moisturized enough and it doesn't need a lot of gel. But for this hairstyle, like I said, I'm using TGIN's products. I'm using their gel. You guys know I love my Eco, but I find this gel works, I will not say the same, because I haven't found a gel that gives me that definition like what I usually get from the Eco style gel. But this gel is very good as well, and I find myself using it a lot as well for my sleek hairstyles. And I go back in with the daily moisturizer to moisturize the ends before I twist them up, and I just continue doing that in smaller sections until I have all my hair into my low bun. So for the front of my hair, I'm just gonna be doing some flat twists, and I'm gonna be doing them like medium size. This is just the look I was going for. If you cannot flat twist, please feel free to cornrow. Your hairstyle will look just as good if you do cornrows as well, but my little advice will be, if you cornrow the front of your hair, then you should cornrow the ends. I just like to keep everything uniform. Like, if I braid the front of my hair, then I'll braid the ends of my hair as well. If I flat twist, then I'll twist the ends of my hair, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure if you guys might want me to do like an in-depth flat twist tutorial. You could probably let me know in the comment section. But for my flat twist, I didn't want to do like straight flat twist. I wanted like a curve type of style. So that is what I am doing right now. Please feel free to freestyle and, you know, make it your own if you want to. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to get it to look a little bit slant to my left side. So all of my twists are coming basically from the same point on the front left of my head, if that makes any sense. But you guys are obviously seeing what I'm doing, so no pressure trying to explain. And I'm using the TGIN's edge control to help me clean up my part, because I really wanted to have very clean and crisp part. So I'm just giving my head a little stretch right now, because sometimes styling your own hair can be very tiring to your neck, especially the fact that I'm trying to get some very good angles for you guys. So give me a thumbs up just for that. Yeah, I really hope you guys understand. If you don't, please feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. I try my best to reply to each and every one of you. So now that I'm finished twisting all of my hair up, I'm just going back in with some of the edge control to make my edges look very neat. You guys see that? You see how my edges is looking right now? Like, I really need edge control. Like, it just does not work for me without edge control. I be looking like I have pepper grains in my head without edge control. So I'm just going in with a little bit. I'm not using a lot because the majority of my hair is already twisted in, and you know me, I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair jewelry just to give this hairstyle what I think it needs. And I did put my ends in the back up into a bun. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment and let me know what hairstyles you would like to see or other content you would like to see me create on this channel. Guys, I'm really trying with my consistency, but we are going to get better. Like, I'm so confident and I'm so pumped and I'm so excited for some of the content that I already have in the pipeline for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.